All right, what we have here is a 1970 911T coupe. This car was owned by the same lady for over 40 years in western Idaho, California, Nevada. It is not a rusty car. It has very, very nice body gaps. You'll see as we get into this. I'll show you close-ups of the body gaps. The engine is the correct numerical sequence for this year car. We bought it during the COVID-19 time, so we've not been able to obtain a COA. But again, numbers match according to sequence. Places where they normally rust, this car is not rusty. You can go around each fender and feel they're original. They have the correct caulking. These are not pitted, not scratched. All the seals are fresh. See, they're not cracked here, they're not dry. Glass is good. Paint's amazing. I have no idea what the color from factory was or is. We haven't seen it yet. They did such a nice job on this car. A little bit of pitting in these, which is normal. Lenses are in good shape. Again, all rubber seals. Look at the gap in the hood. Car always starts nicely. Doesn't work you when you're trying to get it to start. It fires right up. No scratches here. Let's see if it'll start sitting here without me being inside. Started right up. Deck lid gap is nice. No cracks in the dash, no warping. Seats are in good condition. Carpets are good. Door cards are good. The door pockets come with the car. They're not on the doors. Rust prone areas such as this, clean. You'll get a door pocket per side, and you can figure out how to put it back on. Again, nice seats, nice dash, good headliner, a little saggy here or there, but it's not to be replaced. It's too good a shape. Speaker shelf is straight. Nice rubber seals again. Rubber seals and no rust. I'm going to go ahead and put it up on the lift. We'll do an eye level walk around, undercarriage walk around, and it's an absolutely gorgeous day, so we will take it out in the pretty sunshine and go for a drive. One of the benefits of this job is we just have to drive these cars. All right, so we'll put it up on the lift and we'll show you the undercarriage. That is a pretty 911T. All right, here we are at eye level on the lift with the 70 911T. Again, I often put them up at eye level so that one can see how straight the sides are. You oftentimes will not see flaws in cars when they're down on the ground, but yet you'll see them when they're on the lift. So here we are at eye level. Again, all the rubbers and the bumpers are in good condition. Bumperettes are good. These gaps are good in the hood. Little pitting in this, both of these. Seal beams in nice shape. Paint's wonderful. Look at the nose of that car. No rock chips. or if they are, they're very, very minor. Good seal beam, nice and straight down the side. Good gaps. The gaps are nice and even on all the doors. The doors don't hang. Again, this was a California, Idaho car, not rusty at all. Same owner, 40-some years. All the wheels are in nice shape. Get you again another nice look at how straight the sides are. All the correct trim pieces in nice shape. Wheels in nice shape. All of this window trim in great shape. Straight sides. Bumpers fit nicely. Nice taillight lenses. Good bumperettes. Nice deck lid fit. Gaps are all even. Taillight lens in nice condition. Wheels in nice condition. Body lines are nice. Gaps are good in the doors. We'll take it on up and show you the undercarriage. On the underside of the 7911T, original pans. We'll get this light to follow along. Look at this. Nice virgin, very nice. Longitudinals were in good condition. Look at that, just a California West Coast car. Jack points, nice. Car's not a smoker, engine's not a smoker. A little moist on the underside. Doesn't leave oil on the floors. There's a small drip area. This oil line here is a little wet. Motor runs good. All the boots are in good shape. Again, nice floorboards. The only rust we found on this car, we found a little bit, these front suspension components are good. Was in one of these battery boxes, not that one obviously, it's in good condition. Tires are okay. Here we go, we got a little bit of rust here. Here's a B hole. All right, that's all there is. Front suspension's in good shape. And I'll walk around again. Show you the rocker panels, longitudinals, all in good condition. All right, we'll bring this car down on this nice, beautiful day. We'll take a drive. All right, I want you to see this car out in the sharp, harsh sun. It will show shadows that imperfections in the body. And you can see we don't have any of that on this particular car. Not to mention, I want to show you how absolutely beautiful that paint is. Very, very pretty color. Brilliant would be a better term.